good. Hello, Stefan. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine, and you?
Very good, thank you. So, talking about the course, Fundamentals of Consciousness Evolution, how would you describe the course?
The course provides basics if you want to deepen your knowledge about consciousness and the science about it, or science of consciousness or conscientiology. The course can help the participants with open questions. Who are we? Where do we come from? Where are we going? And you may get possible answers or direction to these answers. The course encourages the questions one's own actions, feelings, and thoughts. It's possible to get answers to the questions about death or possible life after death. And you think about what might happen to your own consciousness and soul. If there is a reincarnation, if it is possible to understand out of body experiences, or even to do them intentionally, and to control or steer them after a certain time. Maybe the course also helps to understand situations one has been through, or to change one's behavior in perhaps comparable situations, to rethink one's own behavior towards the situation. One is encouraged to think about whether and who one's own behavior has a direct influence on living together in a group, a society, in past, present, or future lives. That's it.
Excellent, very good. Another question would be, how did the course help you?
Well, the course helped me to realize that I need to rethink the change of my behavior in situations that recur more often. It also helped me to understand that, as in physics, there are invisible energies that are within us, and we learn to deal with them and also to work with them. The course has helped me to better understand professional situations. I'm working in nursing on an intensive care unit where life and death are at stake.
Very good words, thank you. The last question would be, why would you recommend the course?
If you are interested in gaining scientific results on consciousness research and understanding more about yourself and your own life and possible stereotype behaviors, you should definitely take this course. The course is not about adopting and unconditionally accepting an esoteric way of thinking. Scientific facts about our consciousness are presented and explained. It's possible to contact the teachers at any time to clarify open questions. And no one is forced to accept a way of thinking or a view, because everyone may make his own experiences.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time.
It's a pleasure.